Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 6 best double oven. So let's get started. Number 6. Whirlpool WGE745C0FS. This is a freestanding double oven electric range which is equipped with the most powerful features. With this model, spending time in the kitchen becomes enjoyable. In terms of the main cooking function, there are 2 ovens on the vertical side, the smaller one on the top which is 2.5 cubic feet of space, and the bigger one at the bottom with 4.2 cubic feet. The difference between the 2 ovens seems reasonable, almost double, when you could choose a mix-and-match size one for a specific dish for energy saving. The cooktops use the smooth top technology for heating. Like most models in this high-end class, this double oven electric range is packed with convection and hidden bake elements. However, the Whirlpool 30 freestanding double range provides you with more than that. Number 5. LG LSE4613ST. This LG 30 slide-in double convection oven gained the competitive edge and outstanding thanks to its total of 7.3 cu.ft capacity. 2 ovens in this version included the smaller one with 3 cu.ft and the bigger one at the bottom with 4.3 cu.ft capacity. The lower oven has convection with a hidden bake element which helps in baking evenly, which is suitable for baking pizza, roasting chicken with a perfect result. Not using the control panel like the above one, this model is a detailed knob control instead, which is commonly used in the gas range. There are 3 cooking modes arranged in this knob to set up the different oven functions. Number 4. Frigidaire FFET3026TS. This model from Frigidaire comes with an attractive stainless steel finish and powerful cooking capacity with 5 electric burners. There are 5 electric burners with a perfect layout on the electric range that make this product become a must-have product for large families. The 5 burners with different sizes include the largest burner with 12 inches and the smallest with 6 inches. All the burners are controlled with the knob on the front of the gas range. How about 2 ovens? This model is packed with 5.3 cu-foot total oven capacity, with a store more lower drawer to keep your pans and pots in reach. Both 2 ovens are equipped with quick preheat warms technology to warm up your oven within minutes for energy and time saving. Number 3. Cafe 30 Matte White Slide. Now we come up with a budget-friendly slide-in double oven. Although the price purchasing for this Cafe CES750M2NS5 Smart Slide-in Double Oven Electric range is affordable, it has a high-end appearance, which is a platinum glass finish. The edge-to-edge glass cooktop with 5 burners and power boil technology enables mothers to prepare dinner for a large family in the shortest time. The dual oven below offers a total capacity of 6.7 cu.ft allows you to cook a multi-dish at the same time. Using the true European convection system and temperature probe to control the circulation and adjust the heat inside the oven, this model can bring you a perfect cake. Number 2. GEJK3800SHSS. The benefit of a double-wall oven is having the flexibility to cook multiple dishes at once and whatever temperature you need. However, with a sensor cooking microwave, delay bake option, self-cleaning feature, and a range of other surprises, this double-wall oven by GE takes a strong lead in versatility. The truth is that most of us find ourselves microwaving leftovers about as often as preparing a fresh meal. This combination wall oven lets you do both, with a 1.7 cu-foot sensor microwave located in the upper compartment. It's much larger and more powerful than your standard freestanding microwave, making it a good choice for taking on larger dishes that wouldn't otherwise fit. The built-in sensor is another bonus that simplifies precision cooking by automatically calculating and adjusting power levels and cook times. Number 1. Verona Prestige Series WGE745C0FS. The vast majority of double ovens come in a similar format, with two large oven compartments stacked atop each other, built directly into the wall. It's a good formula that works for many kitchens, though if you're looking for a double oven that's a little different, Verona's gas range has plenty to pique your interest. This freestanding gas range features two ovens arranged side by side, one 18 inches wide and 2.4 cubic feet, and the other 11 inches wide and 1.5 cubic feet. This makes a useful setup for chefs who want the versatility of a second oven without sacrificing the spacious interior of a standard-sized oven. While the 11-inch compartment might look a little small at first glance, it is still big enough to fit two stacked baking trays. The storage drawer at the bottom is a bonus that helps make up for the 36 inches worth of cabinet space this large range eats up.